Earning through Google AdSense is lifetime. Everyone can get this opportunity in this technical world. We'll teach you how it is possible in the easiest way. Let's know how. If you're unemployed, then start your own business now. And get rid of searching clients and freelancing jobs. Yes, अगर आपके पास स्किल है लाइक क्रिएटिव राइटिंग या वेब डिजाइनिंग, फिर भी आपको कोई जॉब्स या क्लाइंट्स नहीं मिल रहे, तो आप अपनी स्किल को खुद के लिए इस्तेमाल करके आज ही अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. Absolutely, there's no interface of any client when it comes to AdSense. So, don't worry, you'll be self-employed at home. In Google AdSense course, you'll learn a complete guide on following topics. 1. Website hosting. A complete guide on how to buy domain and hosting from HostGator site, both free and paid web hosting. 2. How to design your website. Learn a complete LMS web designing. 3. Create and customize your own blogger website. 4. SEO optimization of a website and a blogger. 5. SEO Basics, which includes both on-page SEO and off-page SEO to rank any website on Google. 6. Free sources of traffic on your website. 7. Link building and backlinks. 9. Full LMS course website designing by using WordPress plugins. And last, how to link and approve blogger with AdSense. And how to link and approve websites with AdSense. After learning this course, you'll be able to create a complete LMS website and get AdSense approval on it. What do you need to do for AdSense approval? Simply, Google AdSense से earning के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? The simple answer is that you just need to use your previous skill for yourself. Step 1. Write articles for your own website. Step 2. Perform on-page and off-page SEO to rank on Google. Step 3. Link with Google AdSense account and get paid. So, all these concepts are explained in our Google AdSense course. Enroll now and reserve your seat now. In Google AdSense course by Freelance Working Institute in such low cost. Mostly students ask, is it necessary to buy a website for this course? Let me clarify. If you'll buy paid when hosting, then it's excellent for you. But if you don't have enough money to buy a web hosting, then don't worry. We will teach you how to get AdSense approval on a free platform named Blogger. So, if you want to start your own growing career for a lifetime, then enroll now. For registration, contact at WhatsApp number +923019652669.